Hi, it's Brian. It is Saturday, September 14th. It's the 20th day of our 30-day video per day experiment, which means we're 2/3 of the way through this experiment. A lot of people have used today to kind of reflect on where we've come so far, and I think we all have seen some major improvements. I've enjoyed watching other people's videos every day, and I look forward to seeing them every day. One thing I realized today is that these types of things, they're not easy. And the thing that made it relevant to me is we had our refrigerator replaced, and there was a team of 3 guys that came, and they worked so quickly and efficiently at taking the doors off of on the pathway into the kitchen, getting our old refrigerator out, getting the new one in, getting it, all the shrink wraps removed and ultimately set up and running. What would have taken a normal person a couple hours to do, I think they did it in 20-25 minutes. They were definitely gone within half an hour. It really was impressive. But then if you think about it in terms of what we're doing, we've learned a lot. I'm sure all of us, these videos go by faster and they're easier to do because we've got that experience and we've learned. And I think that's what an experiment like this is for. It's the same thing that happens in the office every day when what you can do, a new person couldn't do. So that's just kind of what I was thinking, is that I like these experiments and I like learning new tools and tricks of the trade and different ways to apply it. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Gonna go inside and watch UT play, I think it's Rice tonight. Should be fun.